Suzuki SV650 Best First Motorcycle for Beginners. The world of motorcycling is a realm of freedom, exhilaration, and a unique connection to the road. For beginners stepping into this thrilling world, the choice of their first motorcycle is a decision that lays the foundation for their journey. The Suzuki SV650, with its blend of accessible power, versatile performance, and rider-friendly features, stands as an exceptional choice for novice riders. With its balanced performance, modern aesthetics, and rider-centric elements, the SV650 offers a gateway for beginners to enter the world of motorcycling and embark on a journey of skill development and exploration. Balanced performance and approachable power. At the heart of the Suzuki SV650 lies a refined 645cc V-twin engine that offers a harmonious balance between power and manageability. This engine delivers a smooth and responsive performance that allows beginners to experience the thrill of riding with confidence. Versatile riding experience and rider comfort. The SV650 is designed to provide a versatile riding experience that caters to various riding styles. Its comfortable and upright riding position, along with well-positioned foot controls and handlebars, ensures that beginners can ride comfortably for extended periods. Modern design and stylish aesthetics. The SV650 boasts a modern and stylish design that reflects Suzuki's commitment to contemporary aesthetics. Its sleek lines, minimalist form, and eye-catching styling elements contribute to the motorcycle's dynamic appearance, appealing to riders seeking both performance and style. Agile handling and rider-friendly maneuverability. The Suzuki SV650 offers agile handling and rider-friendly maneuverability, making it well-suited for novice riders. Its lightweight chassis and responsive characteristics provide riders with the confidence to navigate different road conditions and corners. Safety features and riding confidence. Safety remains a priority, especially for beginners. The Suzuki SV650 often comes equipped with features like optional ABS, anti-lock braking system, enhancing braking control and stability. These safety features instill confidence in novices, allowing them to focus on enjoying their riding experience. Urban and spirited riding experience. The SV650's versatility shines in both urban environments and spirited rides. Novice riders can transition seamlessly between city commutes and embracing the thrill of spirited rides on open roads, all while enjoying the motorcycle's dynamic performance. Community and rider connection. Enthusiasts of the Suzuki brand create a community that warmly welcomes beginners. Joining this community offers novices access to shared experiences, valuable insights, and connections with fellow riders who share a passion for motorcycling and the SV650's versatile capabilities. Skill growth and riding mastery. The Suzuki SV650 encourages skill development as beginners build their confidence. Riders can progressively explore the motorcycle's capabilities, fine-tuning their riding techniques and fully immersing themselves in the motorcycling experience. Long-term riding satisfaction. The Suzuki SV650 isn't just a starting point, it's a lifelong companion for the rider's journey ahead. Its balanced performance, modern design, and brand reputation ensure that riders can continue to enjoy the SV650 as they evolve from novice riders to experienced motorcyclists. Conclusion. The Suzuki SV650 exemplifies Suzuki's commitment to delivering an accessible and versatile motorcycling experience for beginners. With its balanced performance, modern design, and dedication to rider comfort and safety, the SV650 provides an immersive introduction to the world of motorcycling. By choosing a Suzuki SV650, novice riders embark on a journey characterized by growth, skill enhancement, and the embrace of a community that shares their passion for riding and the exhilaration of exploring the world on two wheels.